All right, we are down by the creek at Unks. Let's get this thing cleaned up lickety-split. 0.5% mix, let her sit, and do its thing. Side to side. You know the drill. Let her sit up there for a minute or two, rinse her down. Being a slave driver here, yeah, get that shit out of here. Get that pond covered up. You're on my fucking time clock today, not vice versa. Boom, they're out of my way. All right, let's get this deck done. This deck is every bit of 40 years old. It's a miracle it's still standing, really. So old that, gonna have to take the 800 PSI, plank by plank, get her nice and cleaned up. Hit this side that I didn't get from the bottom because they were lollygagging and not getting the pond covered up. But they got her covered up. We'll get our mix up here, hop back down, spray the underside, spray the outside of the spindles, get the posts, move around to the other side. This side's pretty clean. It gets the most sun. So whip it up real quick. Business as usual. Easy peasy. Always do your due diligence and try to protect ponds. Always do your due diligence. Rinse all the windows after. Throw a bunch of fresh water up there. And the very final part. Get this whipped. Sprayed off. One more rinse on the windows before we leave. Thorough rinse. Boom, we're out of here.